Hey, ever wonder what's going on in your dishwasher? Well, let me tell you, it might not be pretty. Rotting food debris, mineral deposits, and limescale can be found deep inside the appliance pump, hoses, even this little gem called the chopper screen. That is gross. And unfortunately, it doesn't stop there. Over time, this buildup can grow into odor-causing bacteria that then transfers onto your glasses, dishes, and even baby bottles. Not good. But luckily, the solution is simple. Affresh Dishwasher Cleaner powers deep inside your dishwasher, cleaning even where you can't see. To use Affresh, just open the pouch and drop in the tablet, with or without dishes, and run on a normal wash cycle. How easy is that? For a confident clean, use Affresh Appliance Care monthly on all your hard-working appliances, and never question your clean.